Does this magnetic phone mount work for your neck? This is from TikTok Shop. Let's check it out real quick. Okay, so this might be the most unusual video you've seen, but what a great way to see how this works, right? Because I am outside here. I am doing a review of a drone, live streaming it. So I'm here on TikTok and I'm like flying the drone, wearing this great device. It is really, really hot here in Florida right now. And it's even in this heat, a kind of a comfortable plastic. It's like rubberized. It's really not bad at all. It's a little close to me, and one other little problem I have is this arm here that the phone attaches to is just barely too short for a really large phone like I have, right? I have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it barely fits on there. I mean, really barely fits on there. But it is there. It is staying. It is working. So I would really recommend this. You should get this. There's a link below if you want it. Comes with a bunch of different adapters, so you could use anything from cell phones to GoPros, all that kind of stuff. Here is the mount itself. Let's see how this works. I haven't even read the instructions, but let's see if I can get it to work right the first time. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, it's kind of very heavy duty feeling. Oh, there it goes. We're on. It's just like a half turn, locks in. Listen, if this actually works, this will be pretty good. Let's see what we got. Oh, that works awesome. It is a little close to my face, but obviously this is where it's got to be. But I specifically got this so I could do first-party live streams here on TikTok. This is super cool. I can't believe it worked so easily, so perfectly the first shot. All right, this has to be something that you're gonna buy in the TikTok shop. Click it below, get this for yourself. If you're at all interested in that first party, hands-free kind of shooting, I'm gonna use it for doing drone videos, that kind of stuff. This is definitely awesome. Get yourself one.